Hello iPhone users, how to convert currency easily in an iPhone. Right, I will tell you. So there's a feature called as Spotlight Search which will help you to do it. So what you're going to do is you have to slide down from the middle area of screen and not from top or right hand side angle or below, right? Once you slide it from middle, you will get this option Spotlight Search, right? Which will help you to convert the currency whichever you want, right? So I'll show you some examples now. As I'm typing in a Spotlight Search 50 rupees in pounds, dollars, or anything I want, whichever currency I want. So I'm going to speed this up to show you which examples I have used so that you can know that different currencies can be converted using this method in seconds. So you don't need to search it up from somewhere, ask someone. You can just use this feature and convert the currency if you are in any other country and you're confused, it's your first time. So this will help you. See you in the next video. Till then, you try this feature and let me know in the comments, do you find it useful? Ta-da!